If you've come across this episode, it means that you've either just purchased your dream tiny house or seriously considering it. Either way, that's fantastic.
My name is Bartek and I'm thrilled to introduce you into the world of tiny houses. Today we will walk you through how to properly prepare the ground so that your new home stands stable and secure for years to come.
And as a company specializing in tiny houses, we know exactly how to do it. Ready? Let's go!
But before we dive in, if you're interested in tiny houses, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next tips. For your tiny house to stand stable, you need to remove about 30 centimeters of soil and fill the excavation with 16 to 32 millimeters aggregate. This will help prevent any settling issues. Make sure the prepared surface is slightly larger than the footprint of your house, ideally by half a meters on each side. If you have chosen a larger model like Julia, River or Sky, you need to reinforce the ground additionally. We recommend laying a foundation slab across the entire footprint of the house. Why is this so important? Larger tiny houses are heavier, and if the ground isn't properly prepared, they may start to settle over time. And that's definitely something you want to avoid. And that's it. As you can see, preparing the ground for a tiny house is not complicated, but there are a few key things to keep in mind. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and we will be happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with more tiny house tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.